Sugar, you get so fly. Sugar, you get so fly. Sugar, you get so fly. Oh, work. So me you the work. See me do me da. See my body work. Okay, now you need to be done and work. Come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't be that away to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. But I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon. 'Cause I know that you should done with what come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I've got people trying to end me. Oh, really need a place to stay. And take the time on the way. You spent some time away. Now you need no forward and give me all that work. So me you the work. See me do me da. See my body work. Give us so many work. To that see me do me da. Alright, see my body work. Got me lifted high in the ceiling. Ooh, the ultimate feeling. I'm lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, you get so fly. 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 You know we got the website, feeling all high. Going on, obviously getting high. So fly with me, honey. Yeah, never the money comes, never the money comes out. Yeah, you put it do that thing, mom, you work. See me do me da. Alright, see my body work. Sugar, you get so fly. Sugar, you get so fly. I said, sugar, you get so fly. 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 Yeah, it never late.
Let's learn Westie work. It's choreographed by Emma Whillans and Anna Szymanski. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver West Coast swing with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around to doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Westie work. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward with your right and step forward with your left. As you step forward with your left, you want to slightly angle your hips off-centered towards the right. We're now going to do an anchor step, bringing your right foot in and behind your left. Step down in place with your left and step back with your right, squaring yourself back up to 12 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side. You're at 9 o'clock. You're going to make another half turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side. You're at 3 o'clock. We're going to quickly touch our left next to our right, and we're going to do a side shuffle with knees. So as we step our left foot to the side, you're going to bend your knees and slightly put your knees out. Bring your right foot next to your left and bring your knees in, and then step your left foot to the side and you can straighten your knees. So let's try that with some counts. Walk and anchor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, brushing our right foot on the floor. You're now at 12 o'clock. This brush is going to lead you into another quarter turn over your left shoulder, hitching your right knee up. You're at 9 o'clock, and we're going to step our right foot to the side, pushing our hip over our right foot. We're now going to do a clockwise hip roll, so from right to left, all the way around. So we're going to take that hip, bring it around to the right, all the way around to the back, to your left, and then settle back down onto your right foot. We're now going to do a syncopated quarter turning jazz box. So we're going to cross our left over our right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 6 o'clock. Step your left foot to the side and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a quarter turning coaster. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left to face 9 o'clock. Step your right next to your left and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would be facing 3 o'clock after doing your side shuffle. You're going to do your brush and hitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to walk in mambo. Walk forward, right, left. Now we're going to do a right mambo step, rocking our right foot forward. Recover back onto your left. Step back with your right. We're now going to do a quarter side cross. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the side and cross your left over your right. You're now going to touch your right toe to the right side. And as you do, you're going to bump your hip up. You're going to bump your hip back over your left and then bump your hip over your right and settle down onto your right foot and sitting down onto that so your whole weight is on your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to rock our left foot back behind our right, recover onto your right foot. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to do a half triple. Over our right shoulder, you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the side to face 6. Bring your left foot in next to your right. Make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot, and we're now going to do a boogie walk forward. As we step forward with your left, you're going to push your knees and your hips to the left. Step forward with your right, push your knees and hips to your right. Step forward with your left, push your knees and hips to the left. So let's just try that boogie walk a little bit quicker. Weights on that right foot. You're going to step left, right, left, pushing your knees and hips. Left, right, left. If a boogie walk is hard on your body or it's something that you're still working on, you can totally replace that with a run, run, run. Slightly bend your knees and so it looks similar. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our bump and sit. You're going to do your rock and quarter turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weights on your left foot. Walk, walk, anchor, step. Quarter, half touch, side shuffle. Quarter brush, quarter hitch, sit, hip roll. Syncopated jazz box, cross, quarter back, side, cross, quarter turning, coaster, step. Walk, walk, mambo, step, quarter behind, side, cross, touch, bump, and sit. Rock back, quarter, half triple, step, half, and your boogie walk. Let's try it with some counts. Walking it forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go around, do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we will do counts. Weights on that left foot, you're starting with your walk and anchor. Walk, walk, anchor, step, quarter, half touch, side shuffle. Brush, hitch, step, hip, roll, cross quarter, back, side, cross quarter, coaster, step. Walk, walk, mambo, step, quarter side, cross, bump and sit. Rock quarter back, half triple, step, half, and your boogie walk. Walk 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk and anchor step. quarter, half touch, side shuffle, quarter brush, quarter hitch, sit, roll, jazz box, quarter cross, coaster, quarter step, walk, walk, mambo, back, quarter side cross, bump and sit, rock back, quarter back, half triple, step, half, and your boogie walk, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn Westie work. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.